Smile.
Getting ready for the official
All set. We're gonna count
ribbon
down,
counting.
okay? 5, 4,
3,
3,
2,
1. Yes, that officially opens our expo. Everybody, welcome to the Wire and Cable.
Babati lang muna ito kaibigan ko, sir. What's your name, sir?
Gilbert po.
So, what do you expect on this seminar today?
Well, nandito po kami, kasama po namin ang PESA, kami po ang IPP, ang Unified Ecozone of the Philippines. At kami po ay nakikiisa sa organizers, and we are wishing all the participants, all the organizers behind this activity, all the best wishes, and may have success.
So, kita tayo mamaya. Mukhang exciting ito na seminar ito. Okay, sir. Okay, sige. Alright.
Gumagamit na tayo ngayon ng digital devices sa lahat ng natin, TikTok, Lazada, ang gobyerno nagkakaroon na ng mga app para sa mga ayuda, lahat is digitized na.
Okay, so, narito kayo para ipaliwanag sa lahat ng mga bibisita dito sa Wire and Cable. So, imbitahan niyo po sila, sir.
Wire and Cable, this show is not only Wire and Cable, pero the digital solutions nasa ating bansa ngayon. Kasi number 1 ngayon yan. Especially in construction, di sana magkaka-anomalya ang mga projects digital. Di ba? So we are here to help this organization to be aware of digitalization sa buong bansa.
Alright. So, sir, tayo sila hanggang bukas.
Yeah, we are here July 8 to 9.
July 8 to 9, right?
To 9, yeah.
Hanggang 10.
Hanggang 10, yeah, right.
3 days, no? 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. Come here and you can see all the solutions in manufacturing, wire and cable. Importante yan kasi sa ICT, ang fiber optic ginagamit yan para sa Ethernet, para mas mabilis ang Ethernet and connectivity niya.
Sir, maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you.
Pati natin ang Wire and Cable. Congratulations.
Congratulations sa Wire and Cable, kay Jennifer Isidro, for the organization. Well done talaga.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Suso Royal Star Elevator Company